So over here, you can see that I got some pages in Prezi Design, and you can work around with the page settings to change around the outlook of the pages right here. So to do that, when you're here in Prezi, when you see the pages, I can go around, click outside and go to settings. So once you do that, here you can see that you can choose around the page size according to what you want right here. So once you choose out the page size, let's say for example, A4 landscape right here, this is what you have. You can go for US letter, and the design get rearranged as you can see right here, and it tries to arrange it out just like this. So over here, you can also see that you can define an exact width and height of the page. So let's say, for example, you can type in 1000 by 1000 right here, go around, and then you can see that this is an exact square. You can go around and choose a background image as well. So over here, you can see that you can choose from the background image choice that you have right here. So you can click on change, and you can see that the background image gets applied over here as well. Or you can click on upload, and then from your computer you can go around and then upload out an image of your choice as well. So let's say for example, if I were to upload out an image, that uploaded image becomes the background, as you can see. You can go back right here, and here you can see that you can also go around and apply filters for the particular background right here, change around the intensity, go around to adjust and adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, hue and everything, as you can see right here. So we're going to talk more about the filters of the photos later on in the lesson as well. And over here for that particular image, you got transparency settings, you got blurring and other options right here. So let me just click on the bin button to remove out the background. And what you can also do is work around with background color over here, as you can see. So you can go around, choose out a color right here, just like this. And you can see that you can also add in a watermark, but for this you need the premium version right here. There's animation settings over here as well, and that is what we're going to cover up in future lessons. So over here you can see that there's like different things, like you can link chart right here, so interactive hints right here as well. So you can enable and disable out these experiences over here as well. So that is how you can work around with the page settings inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.